This Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, chef's kiss. Alright, cooking some food. I'm melting some butter. I've seasoned the pan. Right now we're making some noodles. That splashed that I definitely did. Quick and easy pasta roni. Can't go wrong with that. This pan I'm heating up some butter. Good old Kerrygold seasoning. We're gonna take some of this crab and saute it in said saucepan. I'm going to add a little bit of truffle oil. There's a little bit left. We'll just use the rest of that. And yeah, let's see how that turns out. Alright, I'm going to add the sauce. You know, if I could make my own noodles, I still would. I still would buy this instant pasta and call it a day. Awesome. Let's get this moving. All right, our butter is melted down. I've turned it back down on low. I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. So a little to coat the pan. Move this around. Look at that. Cool. So, back over there. Turn this back up a little bit. And then we're going to add our crab in. While our pasta roni is cooking, what we got, like 4 minutes? Yeah, let that thicken up. Gonna bring it back to a boil again. All right, now it's time to put these little crab niggeries into the pan. Just gonna cook them all together. I mean, this stuff was like $10 at Kroger's. They came with cocktail sauce, and I ate a few earlier, and I was like, you know what? I should cook them with my pasta. I need to get back to cooking because I do not cook for myself while single. I need to fix that problem. I can save so much more money cooking at home. All right, be right back. All right, we're waiting for our noodles to thicken up. Crab has been cooked. Look how that looks. I wanted to put some cheese in it, but since this is already gonna be one type of texture, I didn't want to add cheese in. So we're just gonna put it on top like a linguini. Call it a day. But yeah, oh, this Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. All right, ready to fix this. We got our pasta looking all good and creamy. I forgot to use a fork. A spork. It's all good. Sorry, a little delayed reaction there. Boom. My presentation never looked good to me, but It's all about the end result of how it tastes. Let's see how it tastes. All right, here we go. Linguini, crab linguini. Let's get all that going on there. Yummy, yummy. So good, so good. Let's try it out. Pretty good. I wish it was real crab meat. But for $10 for a whole thing of crab to make sushi, but I made crab linguine, it's not bad. It's pretty good. Thank you so much for viewing my video today. I really appreciate it. I hope you gave it a thumbs up and you subscribed to my page, along with hitting that notification bell for future videos coming from me. And also visit my other social media handles, that is Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, all under the same handle at Lake in Love. I thank you for enjoying the space with me as I grow and learn more about producing more social media content, and I hope to see you soon in the future. Enjoy.